Hey guys, this is Beefy up here at Harley Davidson in Newport Richey. I'm sitting out with this brand new 2021 Softail Heritage in Billiard Teal with the chrome trim. This gorgeous bike again features the new 2021 color Billiard Teal. On this bike up front, you have 3 LED headlights, including your main headlight and your 2 fog lamps. On this bike, we added on a couple of accessories. First off, we put on the white wall tires, give this bike a great classic look. We also added on the chrome front forks, just give it a little bit more shine. With this 2021 Heritage, this bike features a Milwaukee 807 cubic inch motor. On the tank, we have this really cool classic Harley Davidson style badge. Again, give this Heritage a great classic look to it. For the saddlebags, we have a rigid, hard locking leather saddlebag. Great bike, you no longer have to worry about your saddlebag sagging on your brand new Softail Heritage. You can also lock up all your stuff, make sure everything is nice and secure and safe. Also along the bags, we have these really cool studs that matches up along with the seat and also with the tank bib that comes standard on this bike. This bike also comes standard with the detachable windshield from the factory, so if you're out on those longer rides and need to keep the wind off your chest, just pop the windshield right on, you'll be good to go for hundreds of miles. But while you're cruising around town, you want to get some more wind, or on those hotter days, you can pop that windshield right off and give it a cool look and also be cool. Up on the odometer, it shows you a bunch of different features. First off, it shows you your mileage that you have on your bike. Of course, you have your trip A, your trip B. You also have your remaining miles until reserve. So as you can see, you have about 170 miles until you're out of gas on this motorcycle. Also gives you a clock on it, show you your RPMs, so you know right where you're setting at in your RPM range. And then right back to your odometer. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this bike, come on down to Harley Davidson in Newport Richey and see me. Again, the name is Beefy. Take this gorgeous bike out on a test ride and then take it home with you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.